Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Mssprxy Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. While we cover the technical fix for Mssprxy library, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This is the Mssprxy library, the Microsoft Search Proxy library. It manages unmanaged COM marshaling between the search service and third-party applications. It facilitates the orchestration of remote search data link manifests across process boundaries. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Mssprxy is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Mssprxy library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If the restart didn't help the program find the file, we need to manually register the DLL pointer in the registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a pointer in the registry. If the program can't find that pointer, it doesn't matter if the file exists, it won't load. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for Mssprxy library. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If you're addressing Mssprxy library inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Mssprxy library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.